Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the document and go straight into the header or footer by double-clicking the margin. You must work where page numbers live. Once inside, turn on Show /hide to reveal section breaks so you can see where numbering can change. Make sure to identify any different first page or different odd and even settings because those create independent headers. You need to handle each section separately. This is why numbers persist even after one removal. Sections isolate header/footer content. With a section active, click Header and Footer Tools and disable Link to Previous when necessary. This prevents edits from skipping sections. Then click the page number field or any number in the header/footer and press Delete. This removes the page field. Once you've deleted numbers in one section, move to the next and repeat. If numbers were inserted uniformly, use Insert Page Number Remove Page Numbers to clear them globally, but still check each section to confirm nothing remains linked. Finish by scanning the whole document section by section to ensure no number fields remain. Switch off Show /hide for a clean view. Then select All Ctrl+A and Update Fields F9 to refresh any lingering page references. If numbers still reappear, reveal formatting again and search each header/footer for hidden fields or remaining link to previous chains. Often a single linked section recreates numbering. As a workaround, save as PDF to freeze layout after removing numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.